How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I have a haul. Surprise, surprise. So let's do this thing, shall we? I have two different hauls, and one is from Hobby Lobby and one is from Joann. So let's get going. I picked up another one of these Wrong collection micro notes. This is dot grid paper. You get 60 sheets, and I thought these would be fun to use like the half sheets, so inside of my classic planner as well as my Happy Nietzsche. So they have the tropical leaves on them and dot grid paper, a grade dot grid paper, very cute. Same on the back, it says live creatively, and the floral on the way back. And you get plastic rings. They're the same mini rings that come with the Happy Nietzsche size half sheets or half notebooks. So you can intermix them, use them that way if you want. But I thought this was super cute, and I can't wait to try that. Then, let's see. I have one more thing, also from Joann's, but I'm going to save that for last. So, let's jump right into Hobby Lobby. I have this Carpe Diem sticker tablet. You get 522 stickers. And, of course, everything I bought was on sale, so no problem. So, you have tabs. Let's just quickly go through this book. These are stickers, but they're tabs, so I think they're pretty useful. And these actually have the months of the year. And then you have a section of white label stickers, which are pretty cool. Calendar, projects, contact schedule, notes, journal, don't forget, today, tomorrow, yesterday, every day. Weekly, monthly lists to do. And menu. Important, budget, recipes, priorities, remember, and then the months. So, very cute. You can fit those on your labels, which is what they are meant to fit on right here, or use them separately, however you like. These are super fun. And then you have, it looks like reinforcements right there, or you can either use those as notebook reinforcements or to outline a circle, or you can use the inner part to cover up your dates. They are small enough to be able to fit in your Hobonichi weeks if that's what you use, or in your Happy Nietzsche too. Either way. Okay, so that's it for that one. Okay, so I got some super fun sticker books. And this one has 1,009 pieces, and this is called Essential Planning. Super fun. Love it. Some of these are foiled too, and this says today. Do remember. Very sweet. Popcorn, so movie night, family dinner. Like these. Can you not? I love these black ones. Family movie night. Important, big day. Chill, like that. I love my cat. What, when, what, where, when. Off, day off. Work schedule. Pay bill on. These are so much fun. I like the grocery bag. Like this for manicures. Love that. I like that. Another grocery bag, and that looks like that new planner, recipe planner. Cute, 2 of those. Love this. This book came ripped like this, so I'm going to try to glue this back in here because it didn't have that gold piece. Because I like to keep my books closed, but it's not a big deal. I can fix that. Okay, so the next one is called Productivity. 985 pieces. These are nice matte stickers. Oops. Batting 1,000 here. Cross it off the list. Confidence, be brave, be bold. This is a double box varietal. Foiled. I like the sentiments. Stay positive, trust your gut. Make it happen. Love the coffee. I love all these stickers. I like all different kinds of ways to decorate my planners, so sometimes I get into these modes. Sometimes I like to use different mixed media products. Sometimes I like to use stamps, stickers, and sometimes I like to mix everything. So it just depends, but I am in the mood for stickers lately. I mean, if I'm out somewhere and I see a cute set of stickers, if it's on sale, I'll buy it. So, you know. Because, you know, when we do our errands, we always are near some sort of craft store. So, who can resist not going into there? 1768 pieces. This is the Planner Basic Set Mini. Nice. I love this. Deadline. Be productive, so busy. This is a fun one. They're all fun. You know. Oh, I skipped one. Oh, I adore these hearts. They're like watercolor. Shaded with watercolor, or painted with watercolor. Those are nice. Love the stars. Glasses. Pizza night. This is your year. Chores, movie night. I love these weekend banners. Who doesn't? Cute. Bill, pay bills, steps, the scale. So some of these are trickled throughout other planner books too, because I remember seeing the scale before, and then the food from the food sticker book, and it's in a couple of other sticker books as well too, so that's nice. Grocery shopping, more banners. Laundry. Ooh. Check those numbers out. Those are cool. I want a whole book like this. I want a whole book that's 1,000 stickers like this. Like that one they put that I have that I did a video on from Joann's. I want a whole book like that. Of just the numbers and the stars. I'll be happy. Oh, you get a whole bunch of these. Nice numbers. I remember seeing these somewhere before, because I remember noting that these little sentiments are different. Today is the day, make it happen. Start today, you got this, never give up, TGIF. So I remember seeing that and taking note of that, so I'm sure these are in another book somewhere. But I don't have these memorized as to what goes with what, because I'm new to using stickers from the Happy Planner, so. Alright, this one is called Dates and Holidays. You get 2601 stickers. That's a lot. I wonder when they put this out. 2017. Love it or leave it, baby. Oh wow, these are really good to have. These numbers right here are small enough to fit in your Hobonichi weeks, so those are awesome. Good, we get 2 of those. And this is familiar too, so maybe I just bought a duplicate book. I don't know. I'll have to look. That may very well be the case. Which is fine, because like those numbers, I love them. So I picked the right one to duplicate by. And they were on sale, of course, so yeah, I think I duplicate bought this one as well. That's just fine. These have a lot of dates and numbers, so this will be very useful to me. Alright, the last sticker book that I have is called Fun Florals. And you get 431 pieces. And this one was made in 2018. Sweet. So I think the wrong stickers. Okay, I've definitely seen these before because I've used them. Not this set, but this set. I used that in a spread, so I might have duplicated this too. Which is fine. I love flowers. Love these. So this is a good set to have 2 books of, in my humble opinion. And being that they're for me, I guess that's okay. I love these. They're cute. Oh, I like these. Yes. I wish they had plumerias instead of, this looks reminiscent of a hibiscus, but what are you going to do? I don't think the Happy Planner people are from Hawaii. No, I think they're from California or something. But I love plumerias. I love all floral, but plumerias are my jam. They always have been. In fact, I also lived in South Florida, so our family did. So when we moved from Hawaii, I had bought plumeria trees, little ones, and I planted them in our garden. And they got weed whacked on accident. So I was completely devastated for several years about that. But the tea leaf plant survived, and that is at my sister's husband's family's house. And it did survive, and I'm grateful for that. So I got those also at Waimea Falls Park, but I'm sure I can try to order those online again one day. Okay, I am very excited about this one. This is the Household Extension Tack. Home is the nicest word there is. Laura Ingalls Wilder. So you get a whole bunch of things in this. Here's what it looks like on the back. Very nice. So, home and family extension pack, daily chores, home budget, meal planning, space for creative planning, and scheduling. So it looks like you get 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, and then some examples of how to use each said section, which is lovely. I like that. So now I think I will add some of this to my main planner in the household section. That's what I got this for, so I am excited about that, and I'm going to do that right after this video. And then, last but not least, this is from Joanns.com, is this. And this is another one, recipe organizer. And you have space for 160 recipes. So I figure that I'll delineate some of the categories of recipes, and just have 2 or 3 or whatever, however many I need of these for my very special recipes. So every day is a fresh start. I love that. I did buy this in the Half Notes design as well. It's the same cover, same inside. Bon appetit, as Julia Child says. This favorite recipe collection belongs to, and I love that honey spoon. I have one of those. Kitchen Conversions, Other Notes, Taco Rules, Build, Eat, Repeat. So you have your family favorites, well, just as favorites. And then a quote here. Nothing brings people together like good food. And you have some recipe pages. Nice. Good food, good mood, main dishes. Color-coded in blue. Like a baby blue. Let's gather. These are small dishes for like accoutrement. And that is in pink. For when you have get-togethers. Salad, so this is soups and salads section, and this is green. Then you have a healthy food section, farmers market finds, very nice. And again, that same color from the beginning, which is like a beigey color. Yeah. So there's that. And then Brunch Society. So you have a breakfast. This says breakfast section. And this is blue. And then you have a dessert section. Life is too short to skip dessert. Where there's a whisk, there's a way. And you have the pink repeated. Love the pink. Pink is my favorite. I wish they had packs of this instead of the beige one, but you know. And then this is miscellaneous. Don't be eye candy, be soul food. And this is like a yellow-green. Oh, bonus. Didn't see these. And you get a few. This looks like a pad of paper. It's bound at the top. So you can put your market list on here. I wish they sold those too. Look how cute that little grocery bag is. I love that. And all the veggies. So I really like this. Those half sheets are everything. There's the back and the way back. So that, my friends, is everything in this haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you kindly for watching. If you like what you saw, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again. Have a great day. Peace.